Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into Luxy, the upscale dating app designed for successful, ambitious singles. Launched in 2014, Luxy sets itself apart by targeting users who earn over $200,000 or receive an invitation to join, and who are looking for serious, mature relationships. So what makes Luxy different? First off, verification. The app claims to use a robust process to verify user profiles and maintain a high-quality community of serious daters, including entrepreneurs, professionals, supermodels, doctors, and others looking for meaningful connections. Next, features. You can swipe right to like, left to pass. Unlimited messaging with local millionaire singles. Virtual gifts. A premium membership called Luxy Black adds features like seeing who liked you, private mode, double swipes, advanced filters and more. And the target audience is very clear: if you're successful, established, and searching for someone equally mature, then Luxy presents itself as the place to meet like-minded singles. They even host elite events and parties for networking and dating offline. Of course, there are things to be cautious about. Some users have reported glitches such as problems with message delivery, issues replying to matches, and slow review processes for profile approval. Also keep in mind the cost. While many features are free, premium features require a subscription that auto-renews, and you cannot cancel the current period once it's active. Here are a few tips if you decide to try the app. Be honest in your profile, pick clear photos, make sure you meet the income or invitation criteria, or risk being denied entry, and take advantage of the free features before investing in premium. Also, verify your intent. Are you looking for genuine connection or just browsing luxury dating? In summary, Luxy is a niche dating app for high achievers seeking mature relationships. It offers features and community aimed at a specific segment of users. If you fit that profile and are serious about finding someone with a similar lifestyle, it could be worth exploring. But always weigh cost, user experience reports, and your own goals in online dating. If you found this overview helpful, give the video a like, subscribe and hit the bell for more app reviews and dating insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.